To edit one of these elements in our website, we will want to edit it with Elementor. Here in the page, when you are already logged in, you will have to press the Edit with Elementor. Here we have the views of our website, and here we can edit them. For example, if we want to edit this section, we'll have to press this to edit. On the left side of the screen, you will see the edition section, when you can change the content of this element, and it depends of what element you want to edit. For example, if we want to edit this one, you will see different things like this image and every section of this element. For example, we will want to edit this section. We will want to add here about our company. We will change here our company, and it was already changed. To save the changes, you will have to press this button here that says update to save your changes. You can edit any one of these elements, and the edition part will depend of which theme are you using and which element are you using. Thank you.